Good evening, class 10, gravitation and force. गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल र बल part 3. I am going to teach you something. That question number 1, what is meant by 1.67 meter per second square on the moon? A person can jump 12 meters on the lunar surface, means surface of the moon. If he or she can jump 2 meters on the earth, why? Why does a paper ball fall faster than the paper sheet of the same thickness and mass? चन्द्रमामा 1.67 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर भनेको के हो? एकजना मान्छे अर्थमा पृथ्वीमा 2 मिटर उफ्रिन सक्छ भने चन्द्रमामा 12 मिटर बढी उफ्रन सक्छ. किन होला? एउटा पेपर बल डल्लो पारेको कागजको यस्तो डल्लो टुक्रा छिटो खस्छ, तर प्लेन सिट कागजको ताउ हुन्छ डल्लो नपारेको, सेम थिकनेस सेम मास भएको त्यो चाहिँ ढिलो खस्छ. त्यसको कारण के होला? वाट इज द रिजन बिहाइन्ड इट? नाउ आई विल राइट डाउन द एन्सर्स एज फलोज. नम्बर 1, वाट इज मेन्ट बाई 1.67 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर? 1.67 meter per second square on the moon means that the velocity of a falling body, the velocity of a falling object or body on the lunar surface. Lunar means moon's surface. Lunar surface increases at the rate of 1.67 meter per second in every second. The velocity increases at the rate of 1.67 meter per second in 1 second. एक सेकेन्डमा तलतिर खस्ने भेलोसिटी बढ्दै 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 जान्छ भन्न खोजेको. When the acceleration due to gravity on the moon is nearly one sixth of that on the earth. Here that भन्नाले ग्राभिटी एक्सेलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्राभिटी भन्ने बुझौँ. अर्थको एक्सेलरेसन भन्दा मुनमा हुने एक्सेलरेसन 1/6 अर्थात् 6 गुणा कम हुन्छ. अर्थमा बढी हुन्छ, मुनमा त्यसको 1/6 अर्थात् 6 ले डिभाइड गर्ने कम हुन्छ. जति अट्र्याक्सन फोर्स कम भयो, एक्सेलरेसन लेस, फोर्स अफ अट्र्याक्सन लेस, द पर्सन क्यान जम्प or the object can jump higher and higher. So he or she can jump 6 into 2 meters, that is 6 to the 12 meter on the moon, because he or she can jump 2 meters on the earth. 2 into 6, 12. Then another question is there, why does a paper ball fall faster than the paper sheet of the same thickness, quality and mass? Here we have to write down the paper sheet. ताउसो लामो पारेको यस्तो पेपर शीट यो हो. पेपर शीट यो चाहिँ बल हो. पेपर शीट, paper ball, paper sheet. The paper sheet displaces quite more volume quite more volume of air than the paper ball. Than the paper ball. That means it displaces more volume of air. It means the upthrust, although the weight is same, it displaces more volume of air than the paper ball. So it means paper ball. Paper ball falls faster than the sheet. In short form, see, मुनमा 1.67 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर भन्नाले के बुझिन्छ द भेलोसिटी इन्क्रिजेज एट द रेट अफ 1.67 मिटर इन 1 सेकेन्ड डाउनवर्ड मोसनमा 1.67 मिटर पर सेकेन्डले भेलोसिटी बढ्छ अर्थमा भन्दा मुनमा एक्सिलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्राभिटी 1/6 हुन्छ त्यसैले 1/6 को रेसिप्रोकल 6 यो 2 ले इन्टु गर्दा 6 to the 12 मिटर जम्प गर्न सक्छ अब पेपर बल इट अकुपाइज लेस एरिया लेस भोल्युम द पेपर शीट सेम मास पेपर शीट अकुपाइज और डिस्प्लेसेस मोर भोल्युम अफ एयर एयर रेजिस्टेन्स यसमा बढी पर्छ द्याट मिन्स द शीट bears more air resistance than the ball. The ball bears less air resistance, whereas the paper sheet bears more air resistance. अर्थात् हावाले त्यो पेपर बललाई थोरै बलले मात्रै माथि धकेल्छ तर त्यो पेपर सिटलाई धेरै ठाउँबाट धकेल्छ यसरी हुन्छ है थोरै ठाउँ भयो यहाँ चाहिँ धेरै ठाउँ भयो एयर प्रेसर air resistance is more air resistance is less air resistance more भन्नाले माथि जान्छ air resistance less भन्नाले अब छिटो पर आउने क्वेशन नम्बर 1 finished Question number 2. Here I have written a question which I write down and solve. The weight of an object on the earth is 977 Newton. Find its mass if the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and its radius is 6400 kilometer. See, read a calculator. The weight means force. The force between the earth and the object is 977 Newton. Here weight means force. Find its mass means mass of the object. If the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and radius of the earth is 6400 kilometers. How to solve? See. 6400 kilometer radius of the earth. Mass of the earth is also given. There is an object 977 Newton. Its mass is to be found, whereas the mass of the earth is given. What is the solution? The solution is Earth's mass 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg given. Earth's mass. Earth's radius. Say Earth's mass, say capital M. Earth's radius are equal 6400 kilometer. 6400 into 1000 meter. 641235 meter. Because MKS system, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. You have to change into meter. You have to know the constant value of capital G and weight. Weight means force. Weight here, force is 977 Newton. We know F equal G M capital M by R square. This is from Newton's universal law of gravitation. This is from Newton's universal law of gravitation. Here, force is 977 Newton. Please don't write the unit now. You can write down the unit later on. 6. Capital G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Into M, you have to find capital M, 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon R is, what is the value of R? 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole square. Put the values of capital A 977, capital G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of the object, this object, what? Capital M, mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon R, kilometer 6400 into 1000, 6450 whole square. Then what to do? It is better to, you have to find M. So you can write down in this way, 977 equal, either use a calculator or I show it is better use a calculator. यो M लाई त्यतिकै छोड्ने, यो यसको क्याल्कुलेटरबाट यसको भ्यालु कति हुन्छ म एकचोटि देखाइदिन्छु. I show, see, यो पहिला लेखौँ 6.67, यो लेख्यो, you have seen 6.67 into 10 to the power, यो माथि थिच्ने, यो माइनस छ, माइनस 11 लाई यो ब्राकेट भित्रको माइनसलाई हेर्नु होला है, यो ब्राकेट भित्रको यस्तो खालको, यो ब्राकेट भित्रको माइनस, सी, नट यो रियल माइनस, यस्तो यो माइनस होइन, यो माथिको यो डिआरजी डिग्री रेडियन ग्रेड लेखेको भन्दा सिधा तल यस्तो ब्राकेट छ, त्यो ब्राकेट भन्दा को बिचमा चाहिँ माइनस छ, त्यो माइनस लेख्नुपर्छ. यो माइनस लेखेमा, यो डिभाइड भन्दा मुनिको माइनस लेखेमा हिसाब बिग्रिन्छ. के गर्यो? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So I show again 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into, यो constant छ, into 6 into 10 to the power 24. 10 to the power 24. Divide by, एकैचोटि divide by using a calculator. Divided by, यो यसलाई पोइन्टमा नराख्नु होला, पोइन्टमा नराख्ने, divide by 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole square equal 9.77. 9.77. यो यहाँ 05 पनि छ, 1 पनि आउँछ, M. or by algebraic rule यो के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यो M सँग भएको यो माथि जान्छ, 977 by 9.771 kg. I show you 977 divided by 9.771. कति आउनुभयो 99.9897 99.989766 यसलाई नियर राउन्ड अप गर्दा 99.99 kg 99.99 kg. I'll explain again. See, from here the weight of the body, here weight means force, is 977 Newton. The body is on the surface of the earth. The earth's radius is 6,400 kilometers. Change into meter, MKS system. The weight means force of the body is 977 Newton. Change into MKS system, radius into 1000. Weight means force 977. We know F equals gmm by r square from Newton's universal law of gravitation. It is universal because it can be applied to all the bodies in the universe. Or F means force or weight. 977 in equal capital G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into M into capital M, mass of the earth, 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon 64,00000 whole square. For the sake of convenience, I will show again. See how to write 6.67 into 10 to the power, your minus bracket is minus 11 into 6 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole square equal 9.7705. So 5 like that 9.771 round of fixed 3 manner. M equal, by the rule of algebra, M equal mathematical rule 977 upon 9.771 kg. Nearly 99.99 kg mass. I'm going to solve the last question for today. Question number 3. I'm going to write down the question. Question a little bit longer. This one experiment was performed on 2003 August 27. I write the question on August 3rd, 2003, Mars approached approach means came closest to the earth, closest to the earth in the history. The force of attraction between them, they means earth and Mars, was 6.67 into 10 to the power 16 Newton. Find the distance between them if the masses of the Mars and the Earth are 6 into 10 to the power 23 kg and 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg respectively. You consider capital G equal always 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now, this is the question. Now, how to solve? Given is the masses are given. The masses are given. The force is given. Capital G is also given. What to write? Force. Force F equals 6.67 into 10 to the power 16 Newton given. Earth's mass, say capital M, is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Mass M, small m equal 6 into 10 to the power 23 kg. And capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And distance between them, distance between the planets, them d equal what? A little bit longer, don't worry please. Force of attraction between Mars and Earth given, mass of the Earth given, mass of the Mars given, capital G universal gravitational constant given, distance what? We know. Apply the same formula. We know G m1 m2, or it is better you write F equal G small m capital M upon d square. This is the universal gravitation, Newton's universal law of gravitation. See, you have to know what values are given. Can you remember? Earth's mass, you can remember. Mass of the Mars, you can remember. Constant value, you can remember. And please remember what is given. 6.67 into 10 to the power 16 Newton force is given. Now, I rub it and solve the problem. We know F equal G m by d square, or 6.67 into 10 to the power 16. Capital G 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Small m, mass of the Mars, 6 into 10 to the power 23. 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon d square. Upon d square. If there is the same quantity, same number, you can cancel. Like this one, you can cancel. And what you can do? D into 10 to the power 16 equal, please multiply by using a calculator. How to use? First of all, 6 into 6. I show 6 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power 24 equal 3.6. 3.6 into 10 to the power 37, and d square here. Multiply 6 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power 24. यो माइनसलाई यसरी लेख्नु होला, यो भित्र डीआरजी, यहाँ म लेख्छु डीआरजी भन्दा मुनि, यो क्याल्कुलेटरको डीआरजी भन्दा मुनि यस्तो छ. डीआरजी फुल फर्म डिग्री रेडियन ग्रेड. Degree radian grade, class 8 optional math. You learn it in class 8 and 9 optional math. Degree radian grade. भन्दा मुनि लेखेको छ यो प्राइमरी. Or here d square. It is not d. It is d square 3.6 into 10 to the power. See, it is better to write यो 37 odd number यसलाई 36 गर्ने अनि यहाँ एउटा घटाइदिने म्याथमेटिक्स 10 to the power 16 or d square equal 36 into 10 to the power 36 minus 16 because 1 by xm equal x to the power minus m. Law of index algebra. Or d square equal 36 into 10 to the power 20 or d equal taking the square root पूरेको square root 36 into 10 to the power 20. You always keep the power even number. यस्तो आयो मानौ न 3.5 into 10 to the power or 19 आयो यस्तो आयो भने यसलाई 35 into 10 to the power 18 गर्ने किन यो 10 times more यो 10 times less गरेर गर्नुपर्छ. Or d equal root हटाउँदा 36 6 10 to the power यो 20 को 10 हुन्छ 20 को 10. See, actually if 10 to the power 8 the square root is 10 to the power 4. If there is 10 to the power 16 square root, don't be confused. यो 16 को 4 हुँदैन 10 को power 16 को half गर्ने. There is 2 square root 16 by 2 8. What is the distance between them? Therefore, the distance between Mars and Earth d equal 6 into 10 to the power 10 meter or 6 into 10 to the power 7 kilometer. कति हुन्छ 6 into 10 to the power 7 kilometer. Like 6 into 10 to the power divided by 7 kilometer. That is 6 1 2 3 6 into 10 to the power 7 kilometer. You can change into kilometer. This was for today.